Lesson 1.2 West African Societies around 1492. Africa was isolated from Europe and Asia by geography. But for centuries, trade routes throughout Africa had connected different regions in the exchange of goods, ideas, and beliefs. Timbuktu was the hub of a well-established trading network that connected most of West Africa to the coastal ports of North Africa. These trade routes crossed the Sahara Desert. Cities at the crossroads of these trading routes like Timbuktu, Gao, and Jen grew wealthy and powerful. Traders from North Africa also brought a new religion, Islam, to West Africa. Islam was founded by the Prophet Muhammad in Arabia in 622. It quickly spread across the Middle East and North Africa. By the 1200s, Islam became the official religion of the empires in West Africa. In the 1400s, traders from Portugal arrived off West Africa. Within 50 years, they claimed 2 islands. They also began plantations, or large farms, to grow sugarcane. The Portuguese bought slaves from the African mainland. The slaves worked on these plantations. This practice would later be copied on a larger scale in the Americas. The Portuguese did not use the trade routes across the Sahara. Instead, they traded directly with the coastal people of West Africa. 3 powerful kingdoms arose in West Africa. They all had strong rulers. The Songhai Empire controlled trade across the Sahara. Askia Muhammad was the second ruler of this kingdom. He made the city of Timbuktu a center of learning. Songhai power extended across much of the West African savanna, the region of dry grassland. Benin was a great kingdom in the forests of the southern coast. A mighty ruler controlled all trade in the kingdom. Benin metalworkers created great works of art. Their bronze sculptures were beautiful. The Kingdom of Congo was in Central Africa. It arose along the Zaire, Congo, River. Congo was made up of small kingdoms. These were held together under one ruler. Most West Africans lived with their families in small villages. Each family traced its lineage, or line of descent. These family ties helped to decide inheritances and marriage partners. Age was very important to West African families. The oldest people influenced other family members. They also represented the family in large group meetings. West African people valued religion. Religious rituals were part of daily life. West Africans respected the spirits of living and non-living things. Many also believed in a single creator. West African people divided jobs. Work was done by men and women of different ages and social positions. Throughout West Africa, people farmed and herded. Many hunted and fished. Some also mined and traded. Most groups in West Africa believed that land belonged to all people. People on the dry savanna depended on rivers, such as the Niger, to nourish their crops and water their livestock. Some groups in West Africa held slaves. In Africa, however, slavery did not always mean a lifetime without freedom. Slaves could escape their situation in a number of ways. They could marry into the family they served. They also could escape into the familiar African countryside. The slave trade became a key part of the trading network in West Africa.